Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Janelle and I upload new videos every Wednesday and Friday. And in today's video, I'm so excited to be sharing this with you guys. I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of the comfiest and cutest loungewear of all time. This video is not sponsored, however, all of the items are from Misguided because you guys, do not sleep on their loungewear. It's so cute and comfy. I recently did a large order on like some of my favorite comfy items. So if you guys want to see some cute comfy loungewear that you can wear around your house or honestly style up out and about, then definitely please keep watching. But before you go anywhere, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'd be notified every Wednesday and Friday when I upload. It would mean the world to me. And without any more rambling, let's jump into this loungewear try on haul. Love you guys. Alright, so this first set that we have is this like loungewear set right here. I'm pretty sure I already have a stain on it because I literally wore it to bed. So don't mind my foundation stain right here. I literally got ready in this set. But I actually really love the color. And what's great about this set is the like color of it, and then the t-shirt you could use separate like with some jeans. You can like cinch it up, wear it with jeans, wear it with biker shorts in the summertime, and I just think it's a cute set and super comfy. And I want to say this set altogether was only like 20 bucks. So 20 bucks for a set of comfy, cute, and like aesthetic pajamas. I'm not mad at it. So next up we have this taupe matching set, and I am living for it. I'm absolutely just obsessed with the color of it. So I mainly got this set to just like wear out and about, to throw like a coat on or a jacket. It is definitely more of a fitted set. It's still super comfy, so you could definitely wear this around the house. For me, I like for the stuff that I wear around the house to be like 10 times my size and like super baggy. This would definitely still be comfortable to like work from home in if you want to switch from your like nighttime pajamas to something that's like a little bit more fitted, but you still feel put together, but you're still super comfy. It's like a cross between a t-shirt and a sweater, so you could also get use out of this in the summertime, but then you could layer it in the wintertime and wear it out and about while you run errands. You look super polished, super put together because it's a matching set, but you're literally in sweatpants and a sweatshirt. And I want to say I got this set on sale. It came with both for only like $25 or something like that. So it's definitely a steal. I got it in black as well. I'm going to show you guys that one in a second. Alright, so this is the same set just in black, and I'm literally obsessed. I'm gonna try to find a way to style this like super cute and like classy so I can wear it to work. Like maybe throw on a leather oversized jacket, some combat boots, put some jewelry on, wear a full beat face, and then I could literally be at work in a comfy but cute sweatsuit. Like, what? Are you kidding me? This is so cute. And what's great about these sets too is that I can mix and match it. So I could even wear like this top with another pair of sweatpants that I got, and vice versa. Wear the sweats with like a tank top and like throw a jacket or something over top. Now, in case you guys didn't know, Misguided literally has the comfiest sweatpants and sweatshirts of all time. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. They are so comfortable, they're such good quality, and they are so affordable. So I already have 2 pairs of their sweatpants, so I wanted to pick up a couple of more. And I got these in this like marled gray material, and I'm obsessed. I love the little like drawstring here, so you can like tighten it if you want to wear it out and about, or just literally have it untied and rolled over. Now, if you want the comfiest sweats from them, you're gonna want to get the oversized 90s joggers. I've tried like their basic sweatpants. Those, I mean, they're not terrible, but they're not nearly as comfortable as the oversized 90s sweats. And what I really like about them is that they're oversized and like baggy, but still not like super frumpy. Like, they're still somewhat flatter to just like wear around your house and not feel like a potato. What I love most about them is how thick the material is. So they're super comfortable in the wintertime. They keep you nice and warm. They're lined with like a super soft fleece almost material. And then I also love how they come in at the ankles here. So this is how it looks with like a white slinky tank top. This one's also from Misguided, and it is so comfortable and breathable. Like, I normally hate wearing anything constricting around the house, anything tight, but this literally, like, it feels like you have nothing on. The material is just so like, it's like form-fitting but loose in the right areas, and it's just so comfortable. And I think I got it in several colors. I love how this looks together though. Like, if I have this top with these sweatpants, some sneakers, and like a gray coat that matches this, oh my gosh, I'll be so poppin', but so comfy. So this isn't the same exact tank top. It's very similar though. It does come in quite a lot though, so I don't know how I feel about, maybe if I lift it. Maybe this with like a cardigan or something thrown over top. It is super comfy though if you live in a warmer climate, or over the summer if you want to wear something a little bit more lightweight, I guess, around the house. It looks super cute with the sweatpants as well. You could also pair this with the black sweats and that would be a cute outfit. Let me put those on really quick. Very cute. We got another little matching set action going on right here. I would throw on like a jean jacket and boom, this is actually a cute outfit. Ooh, or like even this top with like a leather jacket. I could definitely get away with wearing that to work. And some comfy like combat boots. I'll be so comfy, but it'll look like I'm actually trying. All right, so moving on, we have two nude pieces. The first one I'm gonna talk about is this like more nudie beige bodysuit. I'm obsessed with the color of this nude. I have one super similar looking to this one, but from Zara, and that one is more of like a pinky nude, like a rosy nude. And I wasn't expecting this, but I'm not 100% mad at it. The back is completely open, so I probably won't be able to wear it. Well, I mean, if I wear it with a jacket, it could work. It's still though super comfy, so like I could definitely still wear this around the house. I probably would never do that because I don't like wearing anything fitted around the house. But if you're into that, you can totally do that. And then these sweats are seriously so flipping comfy. Like I can't say it enough. The oversized 90s sweats are so comfy. Now, the only thing I will say about these is that these on the website said that they were beige, and in person, they don't look beige at all. They definitely look like a light pastel yellow, which honestly I'm not even mad about. I still think that they're super cute and comfy, but to me, they're by no means beige. They're like an Easter yellow, if that makes sense. And then another thing you could do if you got like multiple of the sets and you wanted to mix and match, I feel like the tone of this like yellow beige would look really good with this t-shirt that came in the first matching set that I tried on. And you have yourself a cute little monochromatic moment going on too. I will definitely be wearing this all the time. Holy moly, I think I like this set better than the top with the pants that it comes with. Right, so this next set I put on to show you guys so you don't make the same mistake as I did. I already showed you these sweats in a previous vlog. If you haven't seen them, this is what got me hooked to the oversized 90s sweats because they were just so comfy. So I remember I got these in green because I didn't have any green sweats, and then later on I wanted to try to find like a sweater that would match it. And I'm almost positive that on the website they said that this sweatshirt was green, and it's more like a bluey green, so don't make the same mistake I did and get them thinking that they're gonna match. I mean, it doesn't really matter because I got them more so to wear around the house. Ooh, these would actually look cute with the beige ones because of the way the misguided print is. But yeah, I can still wear them with any of my other sweats, but if you want matching sets, don't get them thinking that they're gonna match because they won't. Yeah, this sweatshirt, so freaking comfy. It literally feels like you're just wearing a buttery hug all over your arms. It is so cozy. I can't even like describe the material on the inside that makes it so freaking comfortable. These sweats I've had for maybe like 3 months. I've washed them a ton and they still are so comfy. So that's another thing to keep in mind. Like your sweats will stay so comfy even after multiple washes. But it has to be the oversized 90s joggers from them. All right, and then this last pair of sweats, I want to show you guys. These are like a deeper gray, but the same like oversized 90s joggers. So freaking comfortable. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say it, but they just really are. So Alex got these for my birthday because I was telling him how obsessed I was with the misguided sweats. He ordered these. However, he didn't do, normally when I order from Misguided, I do like the express delivery because the difference in price isn't that much, but the timing makes such a difference. So like he ordered these, I got them maybe like almost a month and a half later. Like he ordered them for my birthday, I didn't get them until this week. And then once I received them, that's when I placed the order on pretty much like most of the stuff that you're seeing in this video right now. And I did express delivery on these and I got them in like 4 days, not even, maybe like 3 days. So it came super fast. So that's something to keep in mind when you're ordering from Misguided. It is super annoying, but the difference in shipping price isn't that much. And if you do the express delivery. You'll get your items way quicker. Alrighty guys, so that wraps it up for my super comfy loungewear haul from Misguided. I'm telling you guys, do not sleep on those oversized 90s sweatpants. You'll thank me later, I promise you. Just don't sleep on their sweatshirts and those oversized 90s joggers. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Wednesday and Friday when I upload. It would mean the world to me if you subscribed and stay tuned for more videos. I love you all so much. I pray that you all stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!